Hey, sweetie. Good morning. How's your belly doing? Yeah, it's doing good. That's good. Your sleep is good. That's good. You needed a rest. How's your head? Do you still do you still have a headache? No? That's good. Mm, I'm glad. I'm glad you're feeling better. No, sweetie. Is there anything I can get you? Anything whatsoever? Some water. I can make you breakfast. Or do you want a purse? Yeah. I can get you something. Or maybe like a car. I saw you eyeing that Lamborghini, so I figured, or maybe like a jet. Anything whatsoever, sweetie. No? Nothing? You just want to cuddle? Of course, baby, we can cuddle. Let's go cuddle. You know, pretty soon, it's gonna be the three of us. Me, you, and the baby. I know. I know. I think it's crazy too. I really never thought in a million years that I would be a father. It's crazy, but I can honestly tell you that it really is a dream come true. And it makes me so happy. No, sweetie. Don't worry, okay? Everything's gonna be okay. I promise. I know. It's the first time for me too. But we'll learn. We'll learn together. Our baby's gonna be so beautiful. Just like you. Don't worry, princess. And I'll be there. Every step of the way. Let me touch your belly. Your skin's so soft. I think I can feel the baby moving. It's kicking a little bit. I feel it. I know. It's wild. We're gonna be parents. We're gonna have a family. I know it's super crazy. It's wild. I still can't believe it. No, sweetie. Don't worry. Okay? Don't worry. Everything's gonna be okay. You don't have to worry, okay? You really don't. You're gonna be a good mother. You're gonna be a great mother, okay? I know. I know that you're gonna be a good mother. Well, number one, you're just so caring. Number two, you're just so loving. Number three, you're just so nurturing. And that's why I think you're gonna be such a good mother. You're gonna be perfect, okay? So don't worry. You don't need to worry, okay? Everything's gonna be fine. Of course I'm gonna be a good father. Don't worry, sweetie, I'll be a great father, okay? I'm gonna love our baby. And I'm gonna love you. Okay? Everything's gonna be okay. I'm gonna do my best to raise our baby, and I'm gonna do my best to take care of you and our baby. Because you guys are both my babies. You're so cute, you know. I've been looking forward for this for a long time. I really have. You know, I've been dreaming about this for a long time. I have. And when I first saw you, I knew you were the one. There was something about you that I wanted to spend the rest of my life with you. I know it's corny, but I just knew that I wanted to have a family with you. Especially on our first date. When I saw how, like, caring you are and loving you are. Everything about you is perfect, and it still is perfect. The baby's kicking right now. Yeah. Baby's kicking kind of hard. Let me grab that. Let me grab the hot water bottle for you, yeah. It's gonna make you feel better. Give me 1 second, sweetie. Here you go, princess. I got you your heated water bottle. Here, let's put on your belly. There you go. Doesn't that feel good? Does, huh? Of course, baby. I'll do anything for you. I'll do anything for you and our baby. You know, you got the most beautiful eyes I have ever seen in the world. Your eyes are really something special. It's, it's the way that they spark when when you talk about something you love, you know. It's a little bit distracting sometimes, but I don't mind it too much. I mean, who wouldn't get lost in those eyes? Those beautiful eyes that you have. I'm serious. Like, when the light just hits your eyes just right, you know, they glow. You have like a unique beauty. And I can't help but notice. I know, they look lovely. But honestly, sweetheart, you gotta be very, very careful, okay? Because with eyes like those, right, you might just steal someone's heart without even trying. You know, you got the most beautiful lips in the world. They are. Your lips are beautiful. There's something about them that just draws me in. When you smile, it lights up the whole room. And everything just fades away. I can't help but feel so lucky to be with you. And when you speak, I can listen to you for hours. Your beautiful voice combined with the way your lips move just mesmerizes me. Makes everything you say feels so special. And I want you to know how much I appreciate you as a whole. I do. And your lips are not just beautiful. They hold this warmth and kindness. And it's so comforting to be close to you. I mean, sweetie, you're amazing inside and out. And your lips are part of that whole. And your hair. And I just love your hair. And I love brushing your hair behind your ears like that. Your hair looks so soft and beautiful. And I love the way your hair shines in the light. It gives us this nice glow. And sometimes I get lost in it. But your hair just frames your face so perfectly. And I love the way how your hair feels when I run my fingers through it. So silky and smooth. And sometimes, when you let your hair down, I'm like, wow. And it's like there's a whole brand new side of you that just comes out. And you make beauty look so effortless. You really do. And all this makes up your face. And you have the most perfect face in the world. You do. And every time I see your face, it just lights up my whole world. It makes everything feel brighter. Even when I'm having the worst day. And I love watching your